Hello, I'm Shivani from your English coach for classes 10th and 12th CBSE. Today, I'm going to discuss the poem Dust of Snow from the book First Flight of Class 10th. Dust of Snow एक short और simple poem है with very deep meaning. The poem is written by Robert Frost, an eminent American poet. Dust of snow का मतलब है बहुत tiny particles of snow. मैं पहले poem पढ़ूंगी फिर explain करूंगी. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. The poet says that the way or the manner in which a crow, which was sitting on a hemlock tree, shook some dust of snow on him, made a huge difference in his mood. The poet was standing under the tree, which was covered with snow. He was feeling very sad and regretful. The crow might have made some movement due to which the dust of snow fell on the poet, which resulted in the change of poet's mood from regret and sorrow to joy and happiness. Poet हेमलॉक ट्री के नीचे खड़े थे. पोएट बहुत दुखी या सैड थे. तभी अचानक एक क्रो ने जो हेमलॉक ट्री पर बैठा था कुछ स्नो के पार्टिकल्स नीचे गिराए. ऐसा शायद क्रो के मूवमेंट से हुआ. पोएट कहते हैं कि इस इंसिडेंट से उनका मूड जो कि बहुत दुखी था एकदम चेंज हो गया. In this way, the crow helped the poet to come out of his sad and repentful mood, thus saving some part of his day. Till then, the poet's day had gone in feeling regretful, sad and depressed. इस तरह से क्रो के इस छोटे से एक्ट ने पोएट के बाकी दिन को या द पार्ट ऑफ द डे जो अभी बचा हुआ था अनहैप्पीनेस या सैडनेस से बचा लिया. This shows that even small and insignificant acts can bring a huge change in our lives. We also notice that things that are not associated with happiness and all good things can bring joy and peace. क्रो जिसको हम डेथ एंड डूम के साथ एसोशिएट करते हैं और हेमलॉक ट्री जो कि एक पॉइजनस ट्री है, poet has shown them in a very different role. They are the ones that bring a positive change in the poet's mood. Usually, poets use birds like sparrows, nightingales, etc. as harbingers of peace, prosperity, and happiness. And trees like pine, maple, etc. are associated with positivity. In this poem, the poet Robert Frost has broken the stereotype to convey that even crows and trees like hemlock tree are all part of nature, and nature possesses healing properties. Nature can heal the emotions of humans. Here, crow and hemlock trees represent nature. Let's discuss the points to remember. Please remember the name of the poem and the poet correctly. Remember the name of the poem and the poet correctly. Dust of snow symbolizes joy and optimism. Now let's see what is the theme of the poem. A small and simple act can have larger significance. Nature has healing properties. It can heal our emotions. Crow is associated with death and doom. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree associated with negativity. Rude means to be regretful and sorrowful. Poetic devices. Throughout the poem, the rhyme scheme is AB, AB. प्लीज़ आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताइए कि आपको राइमिंग स्कीम के बारे में पता है या नहीं. Let's check out the figures of speech. Alliteration means repetition of same consonant sounds. और इस पोएम में has given my heart, इसमें हम देखते हैं repetition of H और her sound. And saved some part, इस लाइन में हम देखते हैं repetition of S और S sound. Assonance means when a vowel sound is more prominent in a line. For example, shook down on me. इस लाइन में हम साउंड ऑफ ओ देखते हैं कि ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट है. Enjambment means when the same sentence is continued to the next line without any punctuation marks. आपने देखा होगा कि इस पोएम में हर एक लाइन दूसरे लाइन में कंटिन्यू होता है. Each line of the poem continues to the next line. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to remain connected. Please like, share and send your comments. We'll be back soon with another video. Bye.